It's a pizza challenge! Welcome to Weird Wild Pizza, where we make weird pizza with wild dough from sourdough starter. I'm your host, Papa Za. Check below for our wild pizza dough recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Pizza challenge! Saskatchewan style square cut pizza. Slice mushrooms. Slice onion. And slice that green pepper. Got about 2 cups salami. About 2 cups ham. About 2 cups pepperoni. Mozza. Flour. Roll that dough. Flour lightly as needed, it might get a bit sticky. Flour the pizza peel and slide it under the dough. Add 1 cup tomato sauce, 3/4 cup mushrooms, 2 cups salami, 2 cups pepperoni, 2 cups of ham, 3/4 cup green pepper, 3/4 cup onions, 1/2 cup of pineapple tidbits, 3 cups mozzarella cheese, and pat those toppings down. Look at all those toppings! Bake at 550 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 12 minutes. Baked round, but cut square. Today, our challenger is DOREE. And we got a Regina Saskatchewan style pizza. Oh, that's awesome. Lots of meat. Very good. Oh yeah. Pizza challenge! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Weird Wild Pizza.